All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Human Nature, originally from Madonna. Thank you for watching. Here goes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 And I'm not sorry, not so. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not so. I'm not sorry. Just don't family. On me, it's human nature. Okay, say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see light through my. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. To shove me back inside my mirror room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about. What was I thinking? Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. And I'm not, so it's human nature, it's human nature, and I'm not apologizing. Don't slam you on me, it's human nature. Me by telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't know. Rest yourself. My words are made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about. Must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. And I'm not sorry, not so. It's human nature, it's human nature. And I'm not so, I'm not apologizing. Not just so Samuel on me, it's human nature. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. Must have been crazy. And I'm not sorry, not so. It's human nature, it's human nature. And I'm not sure, don't slam you on me. And I'm not sorry, I'm not apologizing. It's human nature. Sound better if I was a woman. I'm not sorry. Nah, you're the one with the problem. Don't spam you on me, it's human nature. You just deal with it. Sorry. Nah, would you like me better if I was? Human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not just so on you. It's you. Absolutely no regrets. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, Melina will be out in the next videos performing the greatest show you will ever see. Thank you for watching. Bye now.